guys. So you guys put in your sticks. The staff has a couple of words in it. But let's do the show started, okay? Start off, let's get some awards with their Eagle Bound staff.
That's my brother! Which one? Joseph. Oh, okay.
Each member of the patrol has an award. They get the flag, and we feel like the person is the best patrol leader. So I was patrol leader of the Arrowhead Patrol, and my honorary patrol leader is Edward Boackle.
Whoop, whoop. Edward, you're the best.
And this week I was the leader of the patrol Pyroplatypuses. And I would like to name Owen from 297 as our honorary patrol leader. He rotated the patrol flag as a sign of his newly gained title.
Hey, my name is Nate, and I was technically the patrol leader of the Harambe Patrol. And I would like to name Polish from Troop 19 as the other.
Harambe never died! Take down!
Hi, I'm Joseph Turner. I was patrol leader of the Beaver Charge Patrol, and Officer, can you please come down?
Flop, 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 flop.
Challenge. It's a relay race to test all of the knowledge the Eagle Bounders have learned this week. And so the winner is Pyroplatypuses. So if you stand up and do your patrol now.
You still remember it though? Okay, so all Pyroplatypuses, come on along. So, 1, 2, 3. Pyro, 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 platypuses!
Good job, Nate.